Hello friends, I am your friend Manoj from Paras Bagwani. Today we will talk about a plant whose name is Allamanda cathartica plants. Today's video is based on the Allamanda cathartica plants. In this we will tell you how you can plant Allamanda cathartica at home and how to get beauty in your garden from it. Before starting the video, you are requested that if you like our video then you should subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to also that the notification of our other upcoming videos can reach you first as well as the video. Like and comment and tell us how you liked our video. So let's start the video on the complete introduction and care of Allamanda cathartica plants. If you are looking for a plant that can adorn your home garden with bright yellow flowers, choose Allamanda cathartica, a flowering plant in the Apocynaceae family. Allamanda cathartica produces fragrant deep golden yellow flowers. It is popularly known as golden trumpet or common allamanda and is grown in tropical regions. Plant name Allamanda cathartica. Common names golden trumpet, yellow allamanda, common trumpet vine. Apocynaceae family. Found in Brazil. Flowers, golden yellow flowers. Blooming season, summer and fall. Benefits, medicinal benefits. Allamanda cathartica has no stems, tendrils, or aerial roots. The large trumpet-shaped flowers have 5 large, overlapping petals. Allamanda cathartica is widely grown as a houseplant. The plant can be pruned into a shrub. Otherwise, it can spread up to 20 feet in height. Propagation is done by stem cuttings taken between April and May. Allamanda cathartica thrives in most mild climates. They can be potted and brought indoors during the colder months. Allamanda plants can be propagated by seeds as well as stem tip cuttings. Ensure the stem tip has 3 to 4 fully developed leaves. Allamanda cathartica. Allamanda cathartica, a plant native to tropical and subtropical regions, is known for its medicinal properties. Its flower extracts have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antifungal, antibacterial, laxative, and liver protective properties. Leaf extracts have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, anti-fertility in men, and antimicrobial activity against various drug-resistant clinical pathogens. Soil. The plant requires soil rich in organic matter. The soil should be moist but well-drained. Temperature. The plant requires a temperature of at least 18 degrees Celsius during its growing season. However, it can tolerate temperatures as low as 13 degrees Celsius. Watering. Ensure the plant has adequate moisture. During the dormant season from October to March, water the plant sparingly. Sunlight. Keep the plant in bright light, but not in direct sunlight. Repotting. The plant needs to be repotted annually until it reaches a 40 to 50 cm spot. How to prune an Allamanda plant? Pruning the Allamanda plant is essential to make it easier to manage. The plant responds well to pruning and grows vigorously. Since it is a vigorous climbing vine that can sometimes become aggressive, pruning helps limit its growth. Note that pruning does not affect flowering. Pruning can be done several times a year or once every 2 years. The ideal time to prune is in late winter and before the flowers bloom in spring. Where to plant Allamanda? Choose a partially shaded spot in your home garden. You can choose a potted plant. This plant can also survive outdoors, but only in midwinter locations. It cannot thrive in sub-zero temperatures. Wind dries out the plant. Therefore, when growing it in your garden, choose a location protected from wind and, if possible, near a trellis for the plant to climb. Additionally, To protect the plant from transplant shock, keep it under shade cover for about 2 to 3 weeks immediately after planting, in case of inclement weather. Allamanda cathartica, common problems. The allamanda plant is resistant to most parasites and diseases. When the leaves begin to brown and curl, they are likely infested with aphids that may have colonized the plant. Additionally, the vine is susceptible to red spider mites. Allamanda cathartica, pollinators. The allamanda plant is a favorite among pollinators. It attracts butterflies, bees, and birds to the garden. So now you have understood how to grow allamanda cathartica plants at home. If you liked this video, please share it. Stay connected for more such plant information. Just keep these few things in mind. Your plant will always enhance the beauty of your home and also provide you beneficial and pure air. This is the end of today's video. Let's meet in another video to talk about caring for another plant. Till then, bye friends, happy gardening.